Hello traders, hello friends, Coach Jay here again. And for today's video, we will be analyzing the following pairs, no, yung kasama sa watch list natin wherein ito yung inanalyze natin last week and for our weekly forecast and planning. Okay, so let me remind you again that this is not a trade recommendation. This is just for educational purposes only. Alright, so remind ko rin kayo na later merong high impact nyo sa US since most of the pairs na inanalyze natin ay USD pairs and also yung NZD, no, kakatapos lang. So let us check din etong NZD later. Alright, so let's begin with the XAU USD or gold. Okay, as you can see, very aggressive move ang gold. Very bullish talaga. However, ngayon nga na I noticed this rising wedge which is a reversal pattern. So, hindi naman totally i-reverse niya yung buong trend but possible magkakaroon na tayo ng decent pullback kay gold. Alright, so ito yung here are the levels na na-plot ko wherein dito ko mag-iintay ng buying opportunities. So, just to show you, ayan, may mga bounce kasi dyan and meron din siyang Fibonacci golden ratio na confluence. Okay? So, itong first level ko, nandyan yung 38.2%. So, previous resistance din yan, can turn into support. And yung second level ko ay itong 50%. And yung last level, itong 70%. So, dyan ko siya aabangan later or maybe this week para dyan lang ako maghanap ng aking buying opportunities. Alright, so that's it for gold. And then Euro USD. Okay, so Euro USD nag-play out yung ating yung itong inverted head and shoulder pattern. So if di nyo napanood yung Euro USD, please watch it para for additional education inputs. Alright, so nag-play out siya and then ngayon mukhang ire-retest niya ulit itong neckline nitong inverted head and shoulder. So if later you observe ko rin pag na-reach niya na yan and syempre i-monitor ko kung ano yung magiging price behavior niya dyan sa area na yan para for possible another long opportunities. Okay, kasi ang malayo pa naman yung target ko, narito pa. So, pwede pa akong maghanap ng long opportunities. But, of course, it depends kung bibigyan niya tayo ng confirmation. Alright, and then dito sa GBP USD, ito yung yesterday ko, no, na mukhang inverted head and shoulders din siya. Tapos, nagkaroon ng breakout dito sa neckline. And then, ngayon, nire-retest niya itong neckline. So, nire-ready ko rin yan para makapag-buy a call. Okay? So, currently, nire-reject na siya. So, it's a good thing, no? So mukhang magpe-play out din itong inverted head and shoulders. Alright? And then, NCD USD. Okay, itong NZD USD, no, nasa level ko na rin siya. Okay, kaya lang wala pang price action for bearish. So, hindi pa ako nag-enter dito. Okay, pero nasa level ko na siya which is the 50% of Fibonacci ratio lining up with this previous support that can turn into resistance. Alright, so that's all for now. Thank you for watching and I hope may nakuha ulit kayong input sa video na ito. Bye-bye!